This video shows a Sanking to Kerick float valve retrofit installation for Accu Powerbase 3140 AT systems. For this video, you will need one Kerick valve dual float ball assembly, a Phillips screwdriver, a strap wrench or pair of channel locks, and Teflon tape. Step 1. Interrupt the water supply to the unit by closing the inlet supply valve. Allow the water to drain from the solution tank. Step 2. Carefully lift the feeder off the solution tank, making sure not to damage the internal riser pipe. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the float and arm from the valve body. Using a strap wrench or channel locks, unscrew the remaining Sanking valve and riser pipe assembly from the tank interior. The flow meter will also need to be disconnected from the inlet supply piping at this point. Note, the exact configuration and fittings used during the initial installation will vary depending on the facility. Step 3. Unscrew the flow meter and attached elbows from the coupling on the solution tank's sidewall. Step 4. Unscrew the coupling from the nipple threaded through the tank's sidewall, leaving the hole clear. Step 5. Sufficiently wrap the stem of the new Kerick valve assembly with Teflon tape before screwing the stem into the sidewall through the tank's interior until the valve body is almost flush with the inside of the tank. Note, the new Kerick valve assembly, particularly the plunger, may be partially disassembled to make installation easier. The valve should be positioned so that the attached PVC elbow is on top, with the PVC piping assembly inserted so that the open end of the second elbow is pointing upwards. If the plunger is removed for installation, be sure to reinsert it into the valve body gasket end first and attach the top of the float ball arm into the hole in the plunger body. Step 6. Secure the dual ball splitter in place by inserting the carriage bolt through the alignment hole and securing the bolt with the wing nut. Move the float balls up and down to check the valve is opening and closing without touching the sidewall or level switches. Step 7. Wrap additional Teflon tape around the Kerick valve stem on the tank's exterior. Screw the flow meter with coupling onto stem until snug. Reconnect the flow meter to the inlet supply piping. Step 8. Carefully replace the unit's feeder back on top of the solution tank, making sure the internal piping passes through the center hole in the feeder bottom. Step 9. Turn the water supply to the system back on and allow the solution tank to fill up with water. Check for leaks and cycle the system on and off several times before returning the system to service. For more how-to videos, or to buy replacement parts for your chlorinator, visit pureaquaproducts.com.